Why are creators paying for multiple expensive AI subscriptions when there might be a cheaper way to access everything in one place? What if you could use GPT Image 2 for images, Seedance 2.0 for cinematic videos, and even PixVerse V6 without constantly switching between different platforms? Today, we're going to test exactly that. PixVerse has recently added some of the most powerful AI models in the industry, bringing them together on a single platform. Instead of paying separately for different AI tools, you can access multiple premium models from one dashboard at a much lower cost. Let's jump in. One thing I really like about PixVerse is that it doesn't lock you into a single model. You can access different top-tier AI tools from one place and choose the best model for each task. Let's start with GPT Image 2. A stunning, ultra-realistic portrait of a young woman standing in Tokyo at night. Neon lights reflecting on wet streets. Cinematic lighting. Shallow depth of field. Highly detailed skin texture. Professional photography. 8K quality. The result looks fantastic. The facial details are incredibly realistic. The lighting feels natural, and the reflections create a true cinematic atmosphere. This honestly looks like something captured by a professional photographer. A luxury red sports car parked beside a modern glass building during golden hour. Realistic reflections, dramatic sunlight, photorealistic details. Again, the quality is outstanding. The reflections, shadows, and textures are highly realistic, and the overall image feels polished and professional. GPT Image 2 is clearly a powerful option for creating marketing visuals, thumbnails, and commercial content. Now, let's move on to video generation. What's interesting is that PixVerse gives access to multiple premium video models in one place, so you can choose the model that best fits your project instead of being limited to a single AI engine. A futuristic cyberpunk city at sunset, flying vehicles moving between skyscrapers, cinematic camera movement, realistic lighting, volumetric fog, highly detailed environment, blockbuster movie quality, generating with Seedance 2.0. This looks incredibly cinematic. The camera movement is smooth, the lighting feels realistic, and the scene has amazing depth. It's easy to see why Seedance 2.0 has become one of the most talked about AI video models. A powerful warrior standing on a mountain cliff during a thunderstorm, dramatic lightning strikes, flowing cape, epic cinematic camera movement, realistic visual effects, movie trailer quality. Generating with PixVerse V6. Wow, the visual effects are excellent, the camera work feels dynamic, and the overall scene looks like a movie trailer. The native cinematic style and realistic physics really stand out here. After testing these models, the biggest advantage isn't just the quality, it's convenience and cost. Normally, creators would need multiple subscriptions to access different AI image and video tools. But PixVerse brings top-tier models like GPT Image 2, Seedance 2.0, Happy Horse 1.0, PixVerse V6, VO 3.1, Sora 2, and more into a single platform. That means fewer subscriptions, lower costs, and a much simpler workflow. After testing GPT Image 2, Seedance 2.0, Happy Horse 1.0, and PixVerse V6, I'm genuinely impressed. The image quality is excellent. The video results are cinematic, and having multiple premium AI models available in a single platform makes the entire workflow much easier. This is a great time to try it out. Click my link below and start creating with PixVerse today. Also, let me know in the comments which model impressed you the most. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.